All y'all K-pops, we're back at it again with another video. In this video, I'm about to drop some gems, okay? But if you want to hear those gems, you need to like, you need to comment, and of course you need to subscribe, because this is going to be a two-part video. You hear me? A two-part video. So that means you're gonna have to stay tuned for this video and then wait for the next video to come out. I don't know when I'm dropping it. I don't know if I'm dropping the second video directly after, because I have so many other videos planned, and I'm literally thanking God for giving me all these ideas to have like so much content I need to be dropping. So yeah, I have some gems coming, and I'm excited. So like I said, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. So this video is going to be a total, with part 1 and part 2, of 10 things. And each thing is gonna have some little like footnotes, because again, these are some gems. 10 things that I wish I knew before starting a YouTube channel, / that you need to know at your beginning stages of starting a YouTube channel, or before you start your YouTube channel. Okay, so like I said, these are some real gems. So get ready, get your notebook and pad and paper, whatever, your phone, ready to write these things down. Okay, so I have my notebook because I'm old school and I just like the look of like writing stuff down, you know. Numero uno. Listen to me.
Be consistent.
This is very, 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 very important. Little backstory. I started YouTube in August of 2020 when I first got my LASIK eye surgery. I was not consistent. I was posting, but it wasn't consistent. It wasn't like clockwork. I would post like once a month or twice a month. No, that's not what you need to do. As soon as I moved to Atlanta, literally a year later, well, I'm technically moved to St. Louis in September. Either way, besides the point. When I got to Atlanta and I started posting consistently, I got to Atlanta August 2021, posting consistently, literally a video a week, a video a week, a video a week, a video a week, a video a week. I reached my first 100 subscribers by doing that. Yes, it's slowly like going up. My subscribers, I'm only at 230 something right now, which again, subscribe. It definitely helped to be consistent. And I'm saying, like, if you can post around the same time, try to post around the same time, but the same day, so everybody knows, especially if these people are like being drawn into your channel, so they know what day they can look for your videos to be posted. Okay, so if that means you post twice a week every week, post twice a week every week. If you post once a week every week, post once a week. I'm trying to decide if I want to post twice a week. It's up for grabs. My mans think that I should, but I don't have enough time right now to post that much. I'm trying. Especially because I don't post until Wednesday. So trying to find a good balance of like, do I post Wednesday and Friday? Do I post Wednesday and Saturday? Like, I'm just trying to figure it out. So maybe Sunday and Wednesday. I don't know. I gotta figure it out. I'm waiting for like my analytics to get higher, so I can like dissect all that and figure that out. So yes, be consistent. Numero dos. Have videos planned. Like, y'all just heard me say I have a lot of videos in my head and video ideas like down that I need to be getting out. And like I said, I literally thank God, because sometimes, and that's why I wasn't consistent at first, because I would just be sitting there like, what am I gonna do a video on? Like, I don't know what to do a video on. I'm in between like a protective hairstyle, so what am I gonna do? Like, just like, just, you know. So if you can, then that means that you need to, like I said, write those down. Look up stuff. There's so many things on Pinterest. Join Facebook groups with YouTubers, and they will have definitely ideas for you to, you know, figure out what you want to post. Especially if you already know your niche, then you need to have that planned, okay? Try to have as many planned as possible, just so there's not a week that you're sitting there like twiddling your thumbs trying to figure out what you're gonna post. Number 3, so if you don't know what the word niche means, which you probably do, just because, oh my gosh, just because it's been going around a lot on the TikTok. I don't know if that's just on my For You page, but a niche is basically the theme of your channel or the theme of your page or the theme of your TikTok. For example, my niche is I am now having locks integrated into my niche. Before, it was natural hair. So locks, lifestyle, so that's like vlogs and stuff like that, random things, beauty not included in like makeup because I don't do no makeup, but skincare, nail stuff, me doing my nails, that's beauty. And then working out, but working out kind of goes into lifestyle. So yeah, those are the things that I focus my channel on. If your stuff is like style and wardrobe, that's a niche. If your niche is beauty, that's like specifically like putting on makeup and stuff like that. If your niche is cooking and recipes, like you have to have some type of a niche so your followers know what to expect from your channel. Like that would be weird for me to randomly throw in, I don't know, games, a video of me doing game. Like I don't game. They're gonna be like, you look a little confused, girl, what you talking about? Like that's weird. That's okay if that's what you want to do, but like just try not to have it scattered. Try to have it in one like general bubble, okay? That's 2. No, that's 3. Number 4, what works for others may not work for you, and that also goes with time. So oh my gosh, so somebody might post a video, that video just goes viral. You might have posted 20 videos, still not have gone viral. Everybody's journey isn't going to happen at the same time, and you have to be patient, and you have to believe in God that there's a reason why your time has not come yet, and that there's a reason why He wants you to start excelling, and He wants your channel to blow up and to go viral at the certain time that He does. So if prank videos work for one person and they just, like I said, go viral off of that, that doesn't mean it's going to work for you. Everybody has different stories. Everybody has different plans. Everybody has different paths. So it's not going to be the same for everyone. So you have to do what works for you. You have to be yourself, 100% be yourself. Don't get on this camera and act like somebody different, because especially when you get big, that's what people are going to be like, you don't act the same in person. Like I know specifically Latoya, when people meet Latoya or she'll, vlog people who she's like ran into, they be like, you act just like you do like on the camera. Like don't change your personality just to portray someone that you're not. Just be yourself. Everybody, like I said, has different attributes, and that's just how it is. So what works for other people may not work for you. You got to find what works for you and roll with it, rock with it, okay? And this is number 5. Number 5 is you do not need a camera. I'm gonna say it louder for the people in the back. You do not need a camera. Let's see. No necesitas un... I don't know what camera is. What is camera in Spanish? Either way, you don't need a camera, okay? You can use your iPhone. Wait. Let's rewind. If you have an
iPhone,
and this might hurt some people out here, so no offense, it's blame y'all phone companies. If you have an iPhone, you do not need a camera. If you have a Samsung or a Galaxy or any other type of smartphone that is not an iPhone, please invest in a camera. It doesn't have to be expensive. Just invest in a camera because the quality is not the same. It's not the same. I've seen people upload pictures for their thumbnails and upload videos who have had Androids, and it doesn't look the same. It doesn't look the same. And y'all keep want to say like, well, technically the smartphone camera and the Android camera is better, and there's 3,000 pixels, and it doesn't look the same. I'm telling you, I can see the difference 100%. It doesn't look the same. So if you want your videos to have a good quality, you need to invest in a camera if you do not have an iPhone. Now, for my iPhone users, you do not need a camera. If you don't like have the money to buy a camera, don't even worry about it. Or if you feel like, I want to try this YouTube thing out before I buy a camera, just to make sure, I'm about to invest my coins in something I'm about to stick to, then, don't buy a camera. I have been using my iPhone since I started, and look at how clear these videos are. But the strategy is, one, lighting. Have to have good lighting. Either if you in front of a window, I don't get good lighting through my window where my room is in the house, so I use a ring light. And here we are. Look at how clear this is. The other key is to use your back camera. So what I do is I have a mirror in front of me, and I have my phone, so basically I can see myself through the mirror in my phone, if that makes sense. So I can see if everything looks good, I can see the positioning, all that. So use your back camera. The quality will look so much better. Also, for your thumbnails, you can just use your front camera. I use my front camera, and to be honest, I use Snapchat because Snapchat has the best camera on there. And when you use the regular camera, like front facing camera on your phone, it be flipping stuff and like making you look all lopsided. So I just use that. And where is it? And for the thumbnails, I use, again, I'm dropping like little gems under the big gems, okay? So pay attention. This thing right here, this clicker, Lord. Okay, this clicker, I just go ahead, click, 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 click. I post for my thumbnail. Click, 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 click. Click, 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 click. I click away, okay? Same thing if you're like taking photos of yourself, like, excuse me, if you're taking like pictures of yourself like outside or whatever, invest in the clicker, especially if you're like trying to be big on like Instagram and stuff like that. You need a clicker. So yeah, that's how I start my videos sometimes. That's how I take my pictures for my thumbnails. Just invest in that. But yes, you do not need a camera. Cable Nicole did not have a camera I don't think she still has a camera. I think she still uses her iPhone, to be honest. I don't think she dropped a video in a while. But no, she still uses the iPhone, and her videos still look good, and she still has gone viral. She still is getting paid, honey. So definitely save yourself the money at first, and don't. I personally am going to get a camera eventually. I'm just kind of like waiting. I don't know what I'm really waiting for. I'm procrastinating because that's money I don't want to spend. Like, oh my gosh. So I'm really waiting, but it will come soon, especially because if I'm recording content for TikTok and for YouTube, it's so much work to like stop and start, because you got to fix the orientation from landscape to portrait, so much work. So definitely going to be investing in a camera soon, very soon. That was all for these 5 and then some gems for things you should know before you start your YouTube channel. I hope these are really helpful. I hope you enjoyed them. Make sure you subscribe, of course. Make sure you like, make sure you go ahead and comment, because video part 2 is coming soon. I don't know if I feel like tempting y'all and saying like if the video gets to 50 likes, then I'll go ahead and drop some more gems. Maybe let's see how much y'all want it. I might just, you know, drop it anyway. But if you're watching this video, like it. You must like it. Like this video now. Ahora. Like it. Get us to 50 likes, and if it's at 50, then I'm gonna go ahead and drop it. I'll do this. I'll drop part 2 like right after this video, so I won't like make it a little gap in between. I'll just go ahead and drop part 2 or part 2 and drop part 2 for y'all. Okay, so I really hope this was helpful. Share this video because you don't know who it might help, and I will see y'all in the next one.